The problem is to simplify the algebraic fraction x squared minus 9 over x squared plus x minus 6. We use the difference of squares rule, which states that a squared minus b squared equals the product of a minus b and a plus b. Applying this rule, x squared minus 9 factors into the product of x minus 3 and x plus 3. Next, we factor the denominator x squared plus x minus 6 by finding two numbers that multiply to negative 6 and add to 1. These numbers are 3 and negative 2, so the denominator factors into x plus 3 times x minus 2. Now the fraction is the product of x minus 3 and x plus 3 over the product of x plus 3 and x minus 2. We cancel the common factor x plus 3 from numerator and denominator because it is not 0. The simplified fraction is x minus 3 over x minus 2, which is the final answer. We begin with the original algebraic fraction. The numerator is a difference of squares, so it factors into x minus 3 times x plus 3. The denominator factors into x plus 3 times x minus 2. The common factor x plus 3 cancels from the numerator and denominator. The simplified fraction is x minus 3 over x minus 2.